everyone, and this is a love reading for the Aquarius for the month of September. This is a general love reading. It may or may not resonate with each one of you. Please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. I would be very grateful if you support my channel and by sharing and liking it. So let's begin. First I will start with the oracle cards. What is there for you, Aquarians? This is for the Aquarians collective. My oracle cards. Please give two cards. One for Aquarian and one for its person. Okay, so healing. This is your card, Aquarians, and let's see what is there for your partner or for your person. This is for the person of Aquarius. This is a general love reading. Okay, follow your dreams. So these are the two cards, follow your dreams and healing. So now I will take out the tarot cards for the sign of Aquarian. Please, my love team, give the cards, love messages for the Aquarius for the month of September. This is a love reading for the month of September. Remember, the time is fluid, so things can always change. Healing is your card, so you are healing, it seems, Aquarians. Now, what is the recent past of the Aquarians? The recent past at 9 of Swords. What is the present moment? The 2 of Wands. What is the near future? The 9 of Pentacles. What is your challenge? The Justice in the reverse. And what is your advice? Okay, Aquarians, and at the bottom of the deck you have the 4 of Cups. Now, what I feel here, Aquarians, that in the recent past there was a lot of anxiety, there was a lot of worry, there were sleepless nights, you were very much under a lot of stress and pain, but you underwent that pain, but you have come out of that pain now. In the recent past you had all this pain and trauma from which you have come out. Now in the present moment you have 2 of Wands. So that means in the present moment there are 2 paths for you. You have to make a choice whether to take this path or whether to take another path. So you have to make a choice, and you have everything you want to achieve in your life. So but then you have to make a choice here. Now in the near past you have the 9 of Pentacles, which means that you are 9 of Pentacles is a single energy, and this means that you have everything, whatever makes you happy. You have money, you have self-satisfaction, you are also growing. This is what we have in the 9 of Pentacles. And in the challenge of the Justice in the reverse. So I think so, Aquarians, that you had some sort of unfair treatment, which is your challenge, was maybe meted out to you. So you want to balance the situation here. So I think this is your challenge, that you have to make things balance out, and there was some sort of injustice which took place, and this is your advice, that you have to make a choice here. Again, you have two of Wands and 2 of 2 of Swords here, which means that you are in a dilemma. Your head will rule your heart, and you have to make a choice. Now healing is the card. That means that all your anxiety, whatever injustice was done to you, actually in September you will be healing, and you will be resting, you will be recuperating, you will be recovering from whatever injustice has happened to you. And also you will come out of your boredom, of your rejection, or whatever down feeling you were having. Now let us see what we have for you, for your person, Aquarians. What is it that we have for the person of the Aquarians here? So in the month of September, you will be healing yourself. You will come out of your whatever pain you underwent because of the injustice which happened to you. So then let's clarify or see what are the messages for your person. For your person Aquarians. So now let's see. Okay, what is the recent past? Page of Swords. Alright, what is the present moment? You have the Page of Pentacles in the reverse. What is your near future? For your person Aquarians, you have the Strength. What is your challenge? You have the Two of Swords in the reverse. And what is your advice? Your advice is the Death card, and what you can't see coming at the bottom of the deck is the King of Pentacles in the reverse. Now follow your dreams, Aquarians. This means in the recent past you were quite active on social media, maybe texting, communicating with your partner, but then and also keeping an eye on your partner, or maybe your partner was keeping an eye on you. You have Page of Pentacles in the reverse, so that means that you have, in the present moment, there is a small offer which you might be missing. You are missing an opportunity to connect with your partner. In the near future, you have the Strength card. So this is the Leo season, so that means you have endured a lot. You have undergone a lot. Your partner has undergone a lot, Aquarians. They have tolerated a lot, many things, and they have faced it very courageously. This card Strength is like, taming a lion that is facing your obstacles, overcoming your obstacles here. And in your challenge, you have the Two of Swords here in the reverse. That means, and here also you have the Two of Swords in your Aquarian. You also have Two of Swords here, and your partner also has got Two of Swords. So they've already, the challenge is also that they have made a choice and they have to stand by the choice. This is the challenge. Whatever choice they have made, they have also got their head ruling their heart, not vice versa. And you are also supposed to make a choice whether you want to connect with this partner or you want to connect with somebody else. And in your advice, you're undergoing a lot of transformation. Your person is undergoing a lot of transformation, some sort of ending in order to, in order to have a new beginning. So here, let me clarify the Death card here. What is the transformation your partner is undergoing? What is the transformation which your partner is undergoing? Please clarify the Death card for me. My love team, please clarify the Death card for me. Okay, so they are undergoing some sort of big, massive change in the relationship, because you have the Two of Cups here, you have the Five of Pentacles here, you have the they are working on Eight of Pentacles. They are working on something, but not everything is very good about the relationship, and they are feeling abandoned. They are feeling insecure. They are not feeling happy. They are quite disappointed. They are quite sad, although help is available for them, but still they are undergoing this kind of change in their in the relationship, because Two of Cups is like it isn't a very harmonious relationship, and that is why maybe they are undergoing a lot of change in the relationship. And let me clarify here your Justice card, which is your challenge here. Excuse me, let me clarify the Justice card. My Aquarians, what is the Justice card for you, which is your challenge also? All right, so the Justice card is clarified by by the Ace of Cups, by the Tower, and by the Four of Wands in the reverse. So definitely there was a Tower moment, some sort of sudden change, shock which has come into your life, Aquarius, and it seems that your emotions are all over the place. You are not happy, and there's a big breakdown. Something is crumbling down in your life, and the relationship is not very good. Here also, in your persons also, there is a death card here, so you need healing here. And here your partner is following the dream, that is they want to work, and maybe they are in the job or in some sort of whatever situation they are in, because in the relationship they are not feeling very happy or contented, so they are trying to follow their dreams, whatever it may be. So there are many challenges in your relationship, Aquarian, so please try to understand each other, try to make a wise choice whether you want to go for the relationship or not. And that's all I have for you, Aquarians. So thank you for tuning in, and bye bye.